for weight loss, when you talk about it, the core thing is, of course, calorie deficit, but sometimes that may not be enough. Even a good weight loss journey can help you feel more confident at the end of it.
हेलो नमस्कार, मैं हूं आपके साथ शागुरिका भट्टाचार्य वेलनेस एंड ब्यूटी के इस खास एपिसोड के साथ। और आज बात होने वाली है टेक्नोलॉजी की, एस्थेटिक एसेंशियल्स की, जिसके लिए हमारे साथ चर्चा करने के लिए जुड़ चुके हैं कवर से सौरभ कोचर। हाय सौरभ, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
Good, how are you?
Absolutely great. So Saurav, when you talk about wellness, when you talk about beauty and definitely aesthetics, the first thing which comes in your mind वो क्या है?
Actually, I would say, you should think about something else. You should think about your skin health. जो बाहर दिख रहा है वो तो आप मेकअप से भी ढक लोगे, right? But if you really have to work on yourself, I think you have to work on your skin and your health, because जो चेहरा है वो आपके अंदर की हेल्थ का दर्पण है, right? So I think people very wrongly think about aesthetics and dermatology as a filter.
Okay.
Right? It does give you the filter life without the filter, but I don't think that's the aim. The aim has to be having skin is the largest organ of your body.
Right.
It's about you giving it what it deserves and having a great skin.
Absolutely, very well said, Saurabh. Must say that. But अगर aesthetics की बात करें और AI technologies की हम बात करें, there are 30 और things which has come across now. So किस दिशा में बढ़ना चाहिए? क्योंकि लोगों के पास options बहुत हैं आजकल, लेकिन ये नहीं पता कि किस दिशा में जाना है.
Yes, and I think that's the role technology is increasingly playing across functions, and similarly in dermatology and in aesthetics, right? So at the click of a button can help you analyze your skin sitting at home and tell you what are the 3 things that are good, what are the 3 things that need work, and something that is critical.
Okay.
Right? So it will actually break it down into the 3 buckets for you, so that you can actually make an actionable impact. Right? So that's one tool that we have. Then of course, with aesthetics especially and dermatology, every treatment depends on the core technology that you use for that treatment.
Okay.
And वही मशीन अगर आप चाइना से उठाओ तो वो 8 रुपए की है। वही मशीन आप जब हम लोग जैसे all our machines are coming from either US or Europe, all of those, they'll cost up to like a few crores, right? So that technology of what you use also matters a lot in terms of what outcomes you can generate and what outcomes you can expect. And सबसे बड़ी problem जो है ना आज वो expectation management की है. And a lot of what you'll see around is a lot of false promises.
Right.
Right, and which is why I always keep coming back to the fact that it has to be right expectations and it has to be working on your skin at the basal level, right? Rather than बस मेरे लिए ये 2 चीजें उठा दो, वो भी कर देंगे,
वो भी करेंगे, लेकिन
right? But there's nothing wrong with it. But I'm saying that alone cannot be the focus.
Exactly. यानी कि आपको ये बेहद जानना जरूरी हो जाता है कि आप एस्थेटिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, एस्थेटिक क्लिनिक्स की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो सही दिशा निर्देश के साथ सही जगह जाना, और उससे भी इम्पोर्टेंट आपको उसकी जरूरत है कि नहीं ये जानना.
We say no a lot more than we say yes.
Right.
And I think that is what would always separate a good place from a not so good one. Misinformation. There is so much mismanagement of what can be and what could not be and what should be and what shouldn't be done, that उसी में गुम जाना बड़ा आसान है. Which is why you said the right thing. You need the right guidance, you need the right place, and then everything there is an answer for there's an answer for everything, but you need a guiding hand to help you what is right for you.
बेहद ज़रूरी हो जाता है. जैसे कि आज के अगर हम देखें तो हर किसी को ही फेस अफिलमेंट चाहिए, फिलर्स चाहिए, आईवीज चाहिए, लेकिन क्या सबके लिए वो ज़रूरी है? खास तौर पे मेरे ख्याल से जितने भी हमारे टीनेजर्स हैं उनके लिए भी मैं यही कहूँगी, दे आर ऑल्सो गोइंग फॉर इट, एंड देयर द क्वेश्चन कम्स कि नहीं, शायद उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज द एज इज नॉट परमिसिबल.
करेक्ट. हियर इज हाउ आई वुड पुट इट. हर एक के लिए कुछ ज़रूरी है, बट क्या हर कुछ हर किसी के लिए ज़रूरी है? जवाब वो नहीं, राइट? एंड दैट्स वेयर यू नीड टू understand. That's why you need the dermatologists, you need the doctors, you need the experts to help you with what is right for you, tailor make a plan for you, and then deliver it with the utmost quality.
That's very important. And at the same point of view, आज की अगर हम बात भी कर रहे हैं, so the weight reduction, that is the only prevailing thing which everyone wants to go. Be it I think college goer or a housemaker or homemaker, I would say, or even a job seeker, men, women, both. तो इनके लिए भी हम लोगों को ये सोचने की जरूरत है कि which body part needs to be taken care of और कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी इनके लिए जरूरी हो जाती है.
See, again, weight management को overall जब हम बोलते हैं ना, तो it's also not very well understood, right?
Okay.
So when you talk about body contouring, weight management, there is multiple layers of the skin that you're working at. There is a fat layer, of course, which is the most troublesome, but there is muscle, and then there is the skin layer on the epidermis and the subdermis, right? So you have to work across these layers so that even a good weight loss journey can help you feel more confident at the end of it. देखो, आपने 20 किलो गिरा लिया, but if you haven't worked on your skin layer and your muscle, then वो you know, I'm sorry I'm using this, but वो लोथड़े की तरह लगेगा,
वो लटकना शुरू हो जाता है.
Especially you will see a lot of people who go through a weight loss journey, सबसे पहले ना ये बाजू लटकती है.
Absolutely.
वो इसलिए होता है because you worked on the fat layer, mostly either through diet or medical management, whatever it is, but you haven't worked on the muscle or the skin. ना skin tight हुई है, ना muscle form हुई है, तो वो बिना toning और tightening के वो लटक जाता है.
So वही right consultation is very much required कि आपको क्या, जैसे हमने शुरुआत की, चाहिए क्या और कहाँ पे सही चीज आपको करवानी है. So I think weight loss के लिए अगर आप जा भी रहे हैं तो आपको कुछ basic points हैं, वैसा कुछ हमें याद करने की जरूरत है, रखने की दिमाग में.
No, so I think, see, for weight loss when you talk about it, the core thing is of course calorie deficit, but sometimes that may not be enough because there is, you know, everybody is reacting to it different. There might be hormonal issues involved, so you need to understand what is causing that weight.
Okay.
Right? Sometimes it's just inflammation,
which
is not well understood, right? So I think in most cases, while it will still be calorie deficit, but to ensure that is the root cause, you have to kind of go to an expert and make sure that's what your core reason is. And then of course from there on, like I said, the bulk of this medical science is about getting to the right diagnosis. That's the art. Uske baad science.
Exactly.
If you get to the right diagnosis, there is clear prescribed medical pathways for each one of those diagnoses, right? So getting there is the most important.
So now you know कि आपको किन किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है, और ख़ास तौर पे अगर आप किसी टेक्नोलॉजी रिलेटेड बातें कर रहे हैं, और ख़ास तौर पे अपनी बॉडी, बिकॉज योर बॉडी इज़ योर प्रीशियस, ये आपका मंदिर है. अगर आपको इसके साथ कुछ भी करना है तो डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू बी 1000 times कैलकुलेटिव, एंड डेफिनेटली आपको सोचना है राइट person, right equipment, right I think because हर method and methodology जो है वो आपको लेके चलने पड़ेंगे. Well, Saurav, thank you so much for your insights about D-technology and AI things.
Thank you so much.
Well, मेरे ख्याल से आज के एपिसोड में हमने ये जरूर बात की है कि हाँ, क्या जरूरी है क्या नहीं, और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, टेक्नोलॉजी आपकी बॉडी के लिए जरूरी है या नहीं. Well, ऐसे ही कुछ अतरंगी एंड डेफिनेटली वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट्स को लेकर मैं आपके पास आती रहूंगी. देखते रहिए हमारे खास कार्यक्रम.